how to transfer money from Gate.io to bank. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer money from Gate.io to your bank account. And to do so, the first step is to launch the Gate.io application on your mobile device. And then once you have that done, the next step is to be taken to the home page. Okay, once you launch the app, you will take it to the home page. And so once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as home and trade, moment, assets. You just go ahead and click on assets. And so once you're on the assets page, you'll see some options like proof of reserve, etc. So the next step would be for you to reload the page. And so after reloading the page, you'll see some icons such as deposit, withdraw, transfer. So once you can see this, just go ahead and click on withdraw. All right, since you're trying to transfer money from Get.io to your bank account. So after clicking on withdraw, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to select your withdrawal coin. Now, for you to be able to transfer money from Gate.io to your bank, you have to ensure that your bank accepts cryptocurrencies. All right, they accept direct crypto deposits. All right, if your bank does not accept direct cryptocurrencies, you would have to transfer your funds to another exchange like Binance, like Coinbase, that allows fiat transfers, and then convert the crypto to a fiat currency, then withdraw it to your bank account. I hope that is clear. But if your bank account accepts crypto deposit, once you're on this page, the next step is to select the cryptocurrency that you would like to withdraw. You can type out the coin that you would like to withdraw here. So I'll just select USD, and then you'll see the different option here. You can see online withdrawal, phone/email, gate code, fiat withdrawal. So you can just click on on-chain withdrawal, and then you'll be taken to the on-chain withdrawals page. So here you can see a warning. Ensure you click on got it, and here the next step is for you to enter in the wallet address that your bank must have provided. Then select the network. All right, so the network that you are selecting must be the same network on the receiving platform, otherwise your transaction will not be received. Then enter in the quantity, the amount of the cryptocurrency that you would like to send. Click on receive amount, click on withdraw, and then just like that, the money would leave your Gate.io account, and then it will reflect in your Gate.io account. You'll be asked to enter in your font password, okay, and your Google authenticator code. Ensure you do all of that, confirm the withdrawal, complete any recaptcha verification, and you're good to go. Ensure you also double check your details, because once it is sent, it will be difficult for you to get a refund. So that is it. Very easy. Thank you for watching and have a good day.